These are the top 5 most terrifying bird sounds that'll haunt your soul. Bro, these birds don't chirp. They scream like demons from another dimension. If you were alone in the woods and heard this, you'd delete yourself from real life instantly. Comment below which bird sound gave you actual chill. But first, you'll get insane luck if you like and comment on this video before it ends. First, the cassowary. This ain't a bird. It's a dinosaur with claws that can slice you open in one kick next to the Shoebill store.
But I'm more than what they see, I'm running my own race.
It stares straight into your soul and claps its beak like a cursed shotgun. Now, the lyrebird.
Don't let them define. Living my life, it's my time to shine.
Next, the loonbird. Its scream echoes across lakes, like a ghost crying out for revenge. Finally, the kookaburra.